What is going on, everybody? What is going on? It's Mr. KO4 back up in this thing. Shout out to all my new subscribers as we cruising. But I need to kick it into high gear. But we got a lot of stuff going on. We got the Who Has the Heat page. If you haven't subscribed, please do. We're gonna pop it off next week. On this week we're gonna go live. We're gonna do a little bit of testing, stuff like that. Let y'all know what the new changes we have in store for this season. If you haven't checked out the Sis 313 Retro Queen channel, McFly, KOF or PMKICKZ, get these shoes. I am a man of my word, and I got them. It was a painful, but I got them. Can't be calling yourself the king of fours without them. And bam! As you can see, the size 11, women's 9.5, men, QR code, suggested retail price of $200. Fisher colorway Sam, muslin, white, black, all of that stuff. You see the puka? I'm messing around. Puka with the box, like so. You see all of that stuff in there. You see that? Stock X. Whew, you don't want to see the price. You already have an idea. It was painful. You should come with this. Bam. You got your Jordan paper. See that right there? And it's all about the shoes. You got your StockX. I did that for you in one video. You do this, it should come out to a number. If it don't come out to a number, you may have to see real good. Let me move it back. This here, this and this should match up real good. Hopefully it can come up good on the camera. It should come up real good. This area, these two, they should match up real good, as you can see. And then I like this hang tag here, which is clear underneath. Look at that, very dope. Got like that teal with that bubblegum look with the white. I likes it a lot. Coming around on the side, you can just tag. Just pretty much got a deconstructed shoe. You got air, you got your air unit, you got your waffle, you got this clear piece right here on the tongue. As you can see, your off-white insignia stuff, all of that inside on there. You got your off-white insignia on side over there. I mean, this pretty much is just an off-white shoe, sale all over. Very dope. I am so happy to have these joints to the collection. I know I said I wasn't gonna cop the unions, but I don't know. The sock liner is all white Nike. So if you want some black sock, you definitely gonna have the black sock bunnies in this shoe. And as you can see in there, you got the upside down Air Jordan in that shoe. So I'm liking it. I likes it a lot. Like I said, you did that clear. So we just get another real quick spin around. Dope. I can do like 9.5 when drastic time called for drastic measures. The difference between a 9.5 and a 10 is about $300 to $500. You don't believe me? Go stock it. Any debate what these joints gonna get? Being that I love fours, and you can see it was right up here, so it's gonna go right back in there. These are gonna get a Thieve out of Thieve, a perfect 5 out of 5. And wow, we're gonna be lunching, like I said, Who Has the Heat. We're gonna do something small this Saturday. It's Labor Day weekend. Hope y'all be safe. But the actual kickoff will start next Saturday. So thanks for all the love and respect. Thanks for checking out my video, and tell a family member, friend of a friend, because we're just trying to get to 7,500 right now. Then we want to get to 10K by Christmas. So that's all. I'm not asking for a lot, right? So with that being said, peace, love, and I don't know about that grease because wow.
doesn't